I'm going to show you the full process you need to follow if you want to buy the Melania Trump meme coin in just a few seconds. So if you find this useful, don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like. So to do it, what you need to do is create a crypto wallet. In my case, I'm using Phantom. So you can go to phantom.com and download it by clicking right here, or you can also download the phone application. Now, once we have the extension, you need to click on extension and then search for Phantom. You will need to set up your wallet. It only takes a minute to put a password and some more details. And once we are here, we need to deposit Solana. So you can do this with your credit card, or if you already have a crypto wallet, just click here and then deposit money with any of these cryptos. You just need to copy the address, go to your other crypto wallet, and send the money from there. If you want to buy with credit card, just click this buy button and select Solana. Let's say you want to buy $100, just select 100, and then you will need to click on buy and put your credit card information. So now that we have Solana, we need to click this button, and now we need to select Solana at the top. Then at the bottom, we need to search for Melania. Make sure you are buying the right one by clicking right here, so we can see the mint, which is the token address. This is the token address, and if we go to the screener or any other website, we can see this the address. It's the same one we are buying. So we're gonna proceed, search for it again, and select it. Now let's say we want to buy $25 worth of this token or whatever you want. You can put any amount right here, and it will take some fee. And then you just need to swap now, and you will receive the tokens in your wallet. In my case, I don't want the token right now, so I'm not going to do it because it takes some fees, but it will only take a few seconds and the token will appear right here in your crypto list. Then if you want to convert it back to Solana or any other token, you need to follow the same steps. You just need to select the Melania token right here at the top, then Solana at the bottom, and swap it. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.